Hi everyone, here we are going to see Wireline Power Pack and Winch Unit rig up and functional test. This is the Power Pack and here is the Winch Unit. Before rig up our units, we need to check the checklist on the Power Pack and also inside the Winch Unit cabin. We have the details about how to start our Power Pack and end of operation. Kindly check all the gauges on the power pack, it's working properly, electrical sockets, fuel shut-off valves, emergency shutdown lever, and check the coolant level of the radiator, and also check the engine oil level is to be proper, and check the rain cap is free of any obstruction, and the hydraulic level, diesel level also. After enter into the cabin, just apply the brake and release the pressure control. Now we can connect the communication hose between power pack and winch unit. Before connecting, make sure there is no any rusted or dust particles on the coupling. Just clean it and connect properly on the power pack. Electrical socket, match the red dot, push and twist it on clockwise. Connect the electrical RPM cable in power pack. After do the same as in winch unit. Match the red dot, push it in, twist it on clockwise, and connect the electrical RPM cable also. Then enter the cabin, check for the electrical supply and voltage, make sure our battery is okay. Before start power pack, put the fuel shut-off valve in start position, release the knob and rotate the starter until 10 turns. After rotating up to 10 turns, take out the handle, check the starter is fully loaded, throw the glass with red sign. Make sure BOP valve and accumulator valve need to be off position. Hold the choline valve lever and kick the red knob downside. Hold the choline valve lever while the engine oil pressure rise up to 40 to 50 psi. After check the engine RPM also. The engine RPM should be 1250 for the ideal RPM. Check any oil leaks in the surrounding, then enter into the cabin, switch on cabin light, winch light and benchmark switch. After power on the benchmark panel. In between you can check all the gauges are working properly, charge pressure, air pressure and accumulator pressure. After the benchmark panel appear, you can make zero depth and tension calibration 0. Go to the menu, make zero depth, perform 0 and tension calibration, perform 0 and exit. Now your benchmark panel setup is complete. You can do the same in mechanical counter also. Make 0 in the mechanical counter. The description is written on the top of the mechanical counter. Then enter into the menu. Check for the head parameter should be in mega mouth and line size should be in 1 to 5. Then exit. Now your benchmark panel is completely set up. Release the brake. We can check the functional test for unit. Drag the joystick forward and reverse for the drum rotation in low and high speed. After completing the drum run test, you can put the RPM 1500 for the holding test. Apply the brake, put in the joystick lever in high position and make slowly rise it in both direction. In up direction, the system pressure should be 3000 psi plus. The drum is holding. Now our winch unit function is okay. Close the door, turn on the AC, check and continue your operation. After end of the operation, exit the panel, turn off your panel. While shutting down, release the pressure, apply the brake and power off your system. All the electrical switches. Make sure electrical communication cable should be disconnected. Thank you.